Researchers conducting an experiment using a cough chamber have found that droplets filled with germs can travel for more than 6 feet after being expelled from the mouth of an infected person. According to a team of researchers from Western University and Sunnybrook Hospital, the results suggest that the widely recommended 6-foot physical distancing rule may be insufficient in cases when someone coughs directly at you without covering their mouth. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) says that COVID-19 mainly spreads between people in close contact, or within about 6 feet. When an infected individual coughs, sneezes or talks, droplets are launched out of their mouth or nose, and some of these may land in the mouths or noses of those nearby. The droplets can also be inhaled into the lungs. The Western and Sunnybrook scientists conducted their latest research, which has been accepted for publication in the journal Indoor Air, during the 2017-2018 flu season, before the COVID-19 pandemic began. Nevertheless, they say the results may still be applicable to the transmission of the novel coronavirus. For their research, the team, led by Eric Savory from Western's Department of Mechanical and Materials Engineering, constructed a cough chamber to study the coughs of people who had naturally been infected with influenza. The chamber is essentially a sealed wood and glass box with a hole at one end in which participants can safely cough into. A camera and a laser are fitted inside the box to work out the speed of the droplets expelled by the coughing individual. It is a 2-meter cubic box with a small hole in the middle of one end. People rest their heads at the hole, a bit like when they have their eyes tested at an optometrist, so everyone is always at the same position. They then cough several times, and for each cough we measure its speed at many places in a region 1 meter away from their mouth, Savory told media.